Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X8, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now to get started, you'll need to open up your settings application, and from here scroll all the way down to System and Updates, and then select Reset or Reset a Phone, and this will give you a list of things that will remove. Now it removes accounts, app data and all that stuff, but the things that actually matter will be things like music, photos, and just user data, the ones that you have downloaded, for instance, like documents and stuff like that. Rest of the things like app data, installed applications, accounts, and all that stuff, don't worry about this. This is all stored primarily in a cloud, and you can basically regain it after you re-log in with the same account. So anyway, progressing further, if you need to, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, all the data that you have on this device will be completely removed. So like I said, files, photos, music, all that stuff, make a copy if you want to. From there, you can select Reset Phone. You do have an option to back it up right here, but I don't want to, so I'm just going to select straight away Reset Phone, and this will begin factory resetting it. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just let it run through on your end. And once it's finished, after like 2 minutes, we should be then presented with the setup screen for our device. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.